This is top secret, guys. Don't tell anybody. It's even classified. Wait for it. My top 5 secret tips to passing your driving test. Are you ready? Here it comes. Surprise! Unfortunately, guys, there is no secret to passing your driving test except practice, practice, practice. Hi, I'm Marcus, and in this video we're going to be looking at my top 5 tips for passing your driving test. Here we go then. Tip number 1. Make sure you have enough driving hours. One of the biggest reasons for failing a driving test is that pupils go too early. The average amount of hours needed to pass is 45 hours. There is no substitute for experience. Make sure your driving lessons cover as much of your chosen test town as possible. Yes, there are routes, but you will not know where you will be asked to drive. The examiner will want to see you drive in a variety of road conditions. Plus, you will then know any of the awkward junctions or roundabouts. Get those parking manoeuvres nailed. Do all of them in different car parks and roads, keeping it real. And try to have lessons at various times of day if you can. Driving in a town at 11 AM can be a little different than 8 AM or 5 PM. But above all, practice, practice, practice. Tip number 2. Keep those nerves in check. If you make a mistake during your test, try and let it go. Do not dwell on it, as it may be just a fault, or a minor as they are commonly called. If you let it bug you, you will lose concentration and the faults will snowball and mount up, causing a serious fault and possibly a fail. Think this way on the independent drive. Remember, it's okay to go the wrong way if you go that way safely. If you fail, take the positive from it. Maybe it was just the nerves. Remember, you've now done a test and you know that there are no secrets and the examiners are there to help you stay calm. Rebook it and keep up with those lessons, even if you go back to the place where you failed. This will help you know that you can do it and there is no problem with that roundabout or junction and it was just those nerves. Tip number 3. Stay positive. You've done all the hard work, now it's time to get that license. Go into it thinking you can pass, but don't be cocky or it'll end in disaster. Remember, your instructor thinks you can pass, so go and pass. Tip number 4. Get a good night's sleep. I know it sounds obvious. Remember, driving takes a lot of concentration and being tired because you went to bed at 3 AM is a recipe for disaster. Try to eat well too before your test. It's not just the car that needs fuel. Take a drink with you to stay hydrated. The examiner will not mind if you take a sip if you're at the side of the road parked up. Tip number 5. Don't be afraid to correct a mistake on a manoeuvre. If you go on the line when forward or reverse bay parking, don't be afraid to correct it. Make sure it's right. Also, if parallel parking, you gently nudge the curb, correct it. Don't be afraid to do it. Also, don't be afraid to ask for clarification from the examiner. Remember, they are there to help. If you don't understand what they want you to do, ask. So remember, practice, practice, practice. Keep those nerves in check. Stay positive. Sleep well the night before and eat something before and stay hydrated. Don't be afraid to correct on parking or ask the examiner to clarify. And that's it, guys. Stay safe and good luck on your test.